This is a path leading to 16 Mile Creek. On the left, if you see, there is a valley, huge valley, and a simple path where two people can walk. In the right also is another valley. So we'll be walking on the path which leads us to the creek.